Forest Hill High School, affectionately known as the University of South Jackson, is proud to announce the completion of its newly renovated state-of-the-art auditorium.
It's state-of-the-art. We have all the technology that you need to put on a full drama performance for our Performing Arts APAC program, and also to meet with our scholars with scholarly assemblies.
The school's new Performing Arts Center includes a 465-seat auditorium, expansion to the stage, new lighting, renovated dressing rooms, new aisle carpet, a 24-foot projection screen, and a new audio-visual system.
When it first started, we had to walk out and stuff. We noticed that, it was getting built. That was good. I'm glad that it finished, before I actually leave the school. Help us finish out the year strong. It'll be better for previous scholars that's returning and coming in.
My 9th grade year, when we came in here, it was very dull. It didn't have as much meaning as it do now. It wasn't very attention grabbing, but now that the lighting is different, it's different backgrounds, and the season has changed, it's actually have a meaning on our school.
Other recent renovations at the school are new lighting in the band hall and art classrooms, new carpet and painting.
Like the scholar said earlier, with the lighting. If we have a performance and we need someone to come up with effects of being dramatic, all the lights can go off. Normally, it would take us 30 seconds to a minute to turn lights on and turn lights off. Right now, we have settings. So we can spotlight myself, and it's a spotlight, and I'm the only person that's being shown in the auditorium. That's with the full house.
The cost for this renovation was approximately $1,720,000. The renovations are the result of a $65 million bond that was passed by taxpayers in 2018. In February 2022, Forest Hill hosted a ribbon-cutting ceremony to celebrate renovations to restrooms, the library, heating and ventilation, air conditioning units, science labs, and updates to the school's Coliseum.
Yes, it's housed at Forest Hill, University of South Jackson, but we're going to allow all of our high school scholars to benefit from this particular facility because they deserve it. We deserve it.